Greetings. I am online and I'm on the air, bringing you guys another art tutorial because I strongly believe don't think I can actually complete that statement. And anyone that has followed seen any of my previous tutorials will understand why, because it sort of contradicts what I'm trying to do right now. Okay, for this set of tutorials I wanted to cover 2-point perspective. 2-point perspective may be the most basic, well, not the most basic, but the most commonly used type of perspective in terms of drawing. I will explain why. Because we rarely see, as people, oops, what kind of a brush is that? Alright, let's use this brush. I like this brush. It's supposed to be a Photoshop brush, but it's not a real Photoshop brush. But I kind of like how it looks, even though it's not a real Photoshop brush. As people, we rarely see up and down. I mean, we do, but it's less common. Usually, when we look, when we see, our vision is more left and right. Now, when you're looking up and down, your perspective changes. It tends to change from being 2-point to 3-point perspective. I wanted to cover 3-point perspective. I wanted to cover that stuff in a different tutorial. Now, for 2-point perspective, there are a series of exercises or topics or shindigs that I wanted to cover. I wanted to talk about begin with basics, basic. Drawing a box in 2-point, multiple boxes, typical boxes, dividing space in 2-point, diagonal vanishing points, diagonal vanishing points, special vanishing points, special VPs, or vanishing points, off horizon, and close off with drawing a scene in 2-point perspective. Because there's not really much of a point in drawing and studying all this theory if you don't put it into practice. This is where this comes in. This part is critical, putting your things into practice. Alright, so let's get started.